Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID birth date and country. This controls Apple Pay eligibility. Once done, check that your device runs the latest iOS version and that Face ID or Touch ID is set up. Make sure you have a government ID or proof of age available because some issuers require verification. Now open Settings and tap your name to view personal information. You will update your birth date or contact Apple ID support if the option is locked, so proceed to modify what you can. Next, you edit the Apple ID birth date where the system allows. If it's grayed out, be ready to request support. Then open Wallet and add or re-add a supported bank card. Use the bank app verification or card details manually to trigger issuer checks. While adding, the bank may request age verification. Call or message the issuer to confirm their minimum age policy and what documents they accept. Once the bank confirms, complete the card activation and let Apple synchronize the change. Finally, test Apple Pay with a small contactless purchase or in-app checkout to confirm functionality. If Apple Pay still blocks you, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force sync. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled. If problems persist, gather your ID, account screenshots, and bank confirmation, then contact Apple support and your card issuer, explain the age discrepancy, and request a manual review. One tip: try removing and re-adding the card after support confirms the age update to clear cached restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.